Companies have open position listing. Recruiters post on LinkedIn, but no one actually getting hired. This is a low hire freeze. And if you are job hunting in 2026, you are likely feel it without knowing its name. Stop before you skip. Take a moment with that for 5 seconds. What I just described it is not a lifestyle issue. It's not a willpower issue. This is a documented psychological pattern. And today we will name it, understand it, and give it three things you can do it before you sleep tonight. I'm your host. I hold a PhD and teach in college, running the same as you from tier 3 city. I lost 80,000 in FM trading. I'm building DareMinds as a personal finance wealth channel from exactly that point, not from wealth, but from documented failure and heart and clarity. Let's dive in. Let me show you the data. LinkedIn India data shows that the job posting volume increased 18% in 2025, while actual hiring rate fell by 12%. The gap between posted and filled position in India reached a record high of 34% in Q4 2025. Yes, record high of 34%. Let it sink in. This is just happening to others in different cities with different problems. This is the data from people like us, salaried, educated, working hard and still navigating a system that wasn't made for our specific. And here is the thing about data, it doesn't judge. It doesn't tell you that you are lazy, weak, or broken. It reveals that there is a pattern, there is a name, there is a mechanism, and where there is mechanism, there is a lever. Let me explain what happens inside your brain when the pattern occurs. Step 1. Trigger. Something in your environment, a notification, a deadline, a conversation, a financial statement. Activate a stress response. Step 2. The default behavior. Your brain wired for efficiency send the response through the fastest available route, not the smartest one. Step 3. The rationalization. You create a story to justify why this default response was the right choice. You feel better for about 4 to 6 hours. Step 4. The cost combined of 100 of this cycle, financial, relational, professional, physical, and accumulated in a way you don't connect back to original pattern. As understanding this cycle doesn't require a therapy. It requires naming, and you already done it by being there. How can you stop it? Here are three steps. What actually worked for me, not theory, not hopeful advice. Step 1. Notice without judging. The first time you catch yourself in pattern, do not try to fix it. Just say, I see you, I know your name, you are still cognitive pattern and not my identity. This might seem small, but it is not. Naming a pattern without judgment is a metacognitive act that changes how your prefrontal cortex exchange. Step 2. Interrupt. With a micro action of interruption is something so small that your brain cannot resist. Take like to breath, drink one glass of water, write one sentence about how you are feeling. This micro action breaks the automatic response just long enough to create a gap. Step 3. Redirect to a pre-committed response before you trigger your already decided what to do instead. For financial trigger, like I choose to check my SIP balance for Monday. I write down the task for tomorrow and close my computer for Social comparison. I checked my DareMinds growth metrics and nothing else. Pre-commitment strong, then willpower every time. Financially, here is something the news industry doesn't mention. Not low higher fees is the financial cost, not metamorphical, but literally building an emergency fund for 6 months of job search on Zerodha and then create this for you just during the search. I just used Zerodha and for SIP I used them. Link in description. As the part of the system, I'm not mentioning it because they pay me. They do. When I disclose that I mention it's something I mention it because automatic financial decision takes them out of the area where this pattern operates. When the investment is automatic, it cannot be disrupted by the pattern. What to watch next? If this video resonated with you, here what you next. For psychological loop of the issue, watch my video on the dopamine menu, how to reset your brain for deep work. For the financial aspect, check out when is Sensex down, the exact 3 steps I use take for auditing. Both are linked in the description. And one last thing before you go, share this video with one person in your life who needs to hear something exactly this. Not as advice, but as a support. The loneliness of facing this in silence is its own kind of burden. You don't have to carry it. I'll see you next time. Keep going. SEBI disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered financial advisor. This is my personal financial journey. Please consult a qualified professional before investing. Thank you.